Good morning, student. Today I am going to start to solve the numericals from question number 8, which is based on magnetism and matter. And question number 8, listen carefully, student. A closely bound solenoid of 2000 tons and area of cross section 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square, carrying a current of 4 ampere, is suspended through its center, allowing it to turn in a horizontal plane. And we have to find first what is magnetic moment associated with solenoid. Second, what is the force and torque on the solenoid if the uniform horizontal magnetic field is 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla. Is set up at an angle of 30 degree with the axis of solenoid. So student, in this case, number of turns given, area of cross section given, current is given, magnetic field is given and angle is given. And first we have to find magnetic dipole moment. You know that M equal to NIA. And force, that is what? When a solenoid which is placed into the uniform magnetic field, so net force acting on the solenoid, that is what? 0. And tau can be calculated by using formula tau is equal to mb sin theta. So question number 8, and given number of turns, that is what? 2000, area cross section which is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square, and current which is given 4 ampere, magnetic field which is given 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla, and theta, that is what? Given 30 degree. And student, we have to find first magnetic dipole moment. So you know that M equal to what? NIA, and N, that is what? 2000, I, that is 4 ampere, and area of cross section 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4. And student, here 64, 16 4 the 64, 128, and this will be this one, and this is 10 to the power 3, and this is 10 to the power minus 4. So student, it can be written as 1.28 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. Cancel out. So M comes out to be that 1.28 ampere meter square or joule per Tesla. So ampere meter square. This is the first answer. Now student, force, second case. This is A part and B part. Force, that is what? 0. Because current carrying solenoid which is placed into the uniform magnetic field. So when a current loop is placed into the uniform magnetic field, net force on the current loop, that is what? 0. But torque acts on it. So tau equal to, you know that, mb sin theta, and M calculated, that is what? 1.28, and B which is given 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 into sin 30 degree. Sin 30, that is what? 1.28 into 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 1 by 2. 0.64 into 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. And student, after solving this, it comes out together 4.8 into 10 to the power 2. 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2, and that is what? Newton meter. This is the answer for question number 8. So first answer, that is what? 1.28 ampere meter square, and second that is what, 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton meter, and force on the current loop, that is what, solenoid in uniform magnetic field, that is what, 0. Next question, student, question number 10. Question number 10, student, listen carefully, which is based on earth magnetism. And question is, a magnetic needle free to rotate in a vertical plane parallel to the magnetic meridian has its north tip pointing down at 22 degree with horizontal. This is the angle of dip. The horizontal component of the earth magnetic field at the place is known to 0.35 G, means Gauss. Determine the magnitude of the earth magnetic field at that place. And student, so given that is what? Given angle of dip. Angle of dip, you know that delta, which is given 22 degree, and horizontal component of earth magnetic field, which is also given, which is 0.35 G. 0.35 G means Gauss, and we have to find total magnetic field of the earth. And student, you know that formula of horizontal component of earth magnetic field, you know that VH is equal to B cos delta. Already I have explained to you that in the derivation. So horizontal component of, this is horizontal component of earth magnetic field, this formula that is B cos delta, delta that is angle of dip, and we have to find that is what, BE. So BH by cos delta, and student BH, that is what, 0.35 G, 1 Gauss 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla, and here cos 22 degree, cos 22 degree. And student, use the cosine table in log book, find the value of cos 22 degree from natural cosine table in log book, and this value can be directly written here, 0.35 G, and cos 22 degree, that is what, its value, when you see the natural log, its value, that is what, 9272. Cos 22 degree, when you use cos 22, see, I am using physics practical book here, and see cos 22. Cos 22, student, that is this value, cos 22. See, this is the natural cosine sign, and this cos 22. This value, see, this value which is given 9272. See, this value 9272 from the cosine table. So this value which is written here, cos 22 degree, 0.9272, and student, after solving this, its value comes out to be that 0.377775 G Gauss, and it can be written as 3.8 G. This is the answer. So BH equal to B cos delta which is given angle of dip 22, and B equal to BH by cos delta, and cos 22, you see the table from natural cosine, which is 0.9272, and put in the value and solve it, this value comes out to be that. So total intensity of earth magnetic field comes out to be that 0.38 G. Question number 11. At a certain location in Africa, a compass point 12 degree west of the geographical north. The north tip of the magnetic needle of a dip circle placed in the plane of a magnetic meridian points 60 degree above the horizontal. The horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field is measured to be 0.16 G. Specify the direction and the magnitude of the Earth's magnetic field at the location. So, student, here the north tip of the magnetic needle of dip circle placed in the plane of magnetic meridian, which points 60 degree above the horizontal. It means this 60 degree which is given the angle of tip, and horizontal component of Earth magnetic field which is given 0.16 Gauss, and we have to find total magnetic field of Earth and its direction. So student, given angle of dip that is what? Angle of dip delta, which is 60 degree, and horizontal component of Earth magnetic field which is also given, 0.16 Gauss, and we have to find BE. So we have to find, you know the formula, horizontal component of Earth magnetic field BH, which is equal to BE cos delta. So we have to find BE, which is equal to BH cos delta, and BH, which is what? 0.16, that is what? Cos, and cos delta means what? Cos 60 degree, and so 0.16 by cos 60, 1 by 2, so comes out to be direct 0.32 G. So magnitude of the Earth magnetic field which is 0.32 Gauss, and student, direction of BE is 12 degree, which is given. Direction of Earth magnetic field which is 12 degree west of geographical north, which is given, which makes an angle of 60 degree above the horizontal. So magnitude of the Earth magnetic field, that is what? 0.32 Gauss, and direction of Earth magnetic field which is 12 degree west of geographical north, which making an angle of 60 degree above with the horizontal. And this is the answer of this question. And next question number 12. Question number 12. So question number 12. Student, listen carefully. Question number 12. A short bar magnet has a magnetic moment of 0.48 Joule per Tesla. This is magnetic moment of bar magnet. Give the direction and the magnitude of the magnetic field produced by the magnet at a distance of 10 cm from the center of a magnet on the axis, and second, equatorial lines means normal bisector of the magnet. So student, I have already explained the magnetic field due to a bar magnet. Means what? Bar magnet behaves like a magnetic dipole, and it has north pole as well as south pole. So it has a magnetic moment, and the magnetic field on the axis of a bar magnet. I have already explained to you that the formula of magnetic field on the axis of a magnetic dipole means bar magnet, which is mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube on the axial point. On the equatorial point, B equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube. So student, given here, that is magnetic moment which is given 0.48 Joule per Tesla, and distance r which is given 10 centimeter, and we have to find b axial and b equatorial due to bar magnet, and you know the formula. So first b axial means what? This is what? South pole, and this is north pole, and this is the axial point P. So this is the distance which is r, which is given 10 centimeter. So on the axis of this, on the equatorial point, this will be what? This. So student, b axial can be written as mu naught by 4 pi 2m by what? R cube. You know the formula. And direction of the b axial from south to north, I have already explained to you that. And value of mu naught by 4 pi, that is what? 10 to the power minus 7. And 2 into m, that is what? 0.48. And student, r, that is what? 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10 to the power minus 2, that is cube. So it can be written as 10 to the power minus 7 into 2 into 4.8 by, that is what? 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. 10 into 10 into 10, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus 6. So it can be written as 10 to the power 3 plus 10 to the power minus 3, and 10 to the power minus 3 when moves in numerator. So student, it comes out to be that 0.48 into 10 to the power, that is what? 3 negative more positive, so there will be what? Minus 4. So after solving this, 0.96 into 10 to the power minus 4 magnetic field, that is Tesla. In terms of Gauss, it can be written as 96 Gauss, and this is the answer for B axial. This is the answer, and 1 Gauss, you know that 10 to the power minus 4 T. So 0.96 Gauss, B axial, and direction, that is what? From south to net magnetic field on the axial point, which is from south to north. I have already explained to you. And next, that is what? B equatorial. In the same way, student, B equatorial. So we use formula B equatorial. Next one is what? B axial I have calculated. B equatorial, and B equatorial, student, B equatorial, and formula, that is what? Mu naught by what? 4 pi. Formula, that is what? M by R cube. So student, B axial, that is mu naught by 4 pi 2m by R. If 2 is here, so it can be written as, student, B equatorial can be written as, this value can be written as, that is what? This value can be written as, if this comes out to be here, so mu naught by 4 pi m by R cube, that is what? B axial by 2. So directly, without solving, I am writing here. So B axial by 2, and B axial I have already calculated 0.96 by 2. So B equatorial comes out to be that 0.48 Gauss. This is the answer. And B equatorial comes out to be that, and direction for B equatorial, that is from N to S. I have already explained to you that. So this is the answer for this question. Question number 18, student. Diagram is I have already plotted here. So a long straight horizontal cable carries a current of 2.5 ampere in the direction of 10 degrees south of west to 10 degree north of east. The magnetic meridian of the place happens to be 10 degree west of the geographical meridian. The Earth's magnetic field at the location is 0.33 G and the angle of dip is 0. Locate the line of neutral points. Ignore the thickness of the cable. And student, I have already explained to you that, and which is given in hint, at neutral points, magnetic field due to current carrying cable is equal and opposite to the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. So student, here diagram, that is what? Geographical north and geographical south. This is east and this is west. And this is the current carrying cable, which is carrying a current of 2.5 ampere. And direction of this cable, which is given, cable carries a current of 2.5 ampere in the direction of 10 degrees south, 10 degree south of west to 10 degree north of east. And the magnetic meridian, this is the what? Magnetic meridian of the place happens to be 10 degree west of geographical meridian. So this is magnetic meridian which is 10 degree west of geographical meridian, and we have to locate the line of neutral point. And student, you know that at neutral point, horizontal component of Earth magnetic field, which is produced by the straight current carrying conductor, which is B. This is equation 1. At neutral point, horizontal component of Earth magnetic field, which is produced at any distance r or by the current carrying wires or cable. So BH equal to B. And here angle of dip, which is also student given 0. And we know the formula, BH equal to what? B cos delta. And B which is given, that is what? 0.33 cos, and cos delta angle of dip which is given 0 degree. So BH, horizontal component of Earth magnetic field, student, comes out to be that 0.33 cos. This is the suppose second equation. And student, current is flowing in the straight conductor, and magnetic field, that is what? That is magnetic field which is in the form of what? Concentric circle. So current is flowing from in this direction, which is given from left to right, and current is flowing, which is shown by the thumb. And if you curl your curling finger, so direction of magnetic field which is produced by this straight current carrying conductor, that is what? Right, inward, left, outward. So here magnetic field, imagine that the current is flowing in this. So this will be what? Direction of magnetic field, right side, that is what? Inward, left side, that is what? Outward. And direction of BH, which is what? From magnetic south to north. If we take the magnetic field below the wire, if we take magnetic field below the wire, which is, and draw a tangent on it, and it's give the direction of the horizontal component of magnetic field. So it will be added. So at what position there will be what? Magnetic field due to the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field and the current carrying cable. So if we take a point just above the cable, parallel to the cable, and this is the cable, and if you take a direction of magnetic field just above the cable and draw a tangent, if you draw a tangent which give the direction of that is what? Towards south. Imagine this is west and this is east, and if we draw this is what? West and east by 10 degree. This current is what? Making angle with east. So in this case, direction of magnetic field patterns line, that is what? For this cable, which is in this case in upward direction, and if you draw a tangent on it, which give the direction, that is what? From north to south, horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field, that is what? From magnetic south to magnetic north, and at the point just above of the cable, which is parallel to the cable, where the direction of the magnetic field, which is opposite to the direction of the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. So neutral point is obtained just parallel to and the above of the cables. So at neutral points, horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field, which is equal to the magnetic field produced by the straight current carrying conductor. And student, we know that from equation 1, that is what? BH, which is equal to B, and magnetic field due to straight current carrying conductor, we know that. So that is what? Mu naught by 2 pi I by R. R is the point just parallel to and above of the cable, where horizontal component of Earth magnetic field and magnetic field produced by the straight current carrying cable, which is equal in magnitude but direction is opposite. So they will what? Cancel their effect, and BH comes out to be B. And student, BH, which is already calculated, which is 0.33, and mu naught by 2 pi, we know that 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. I, which is flowing, that is what? 2.5, and we have to find R. So at what point? So R can be written as a student, which is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, and this will be what? 2.5 into 2, that is what? 5 into 10 to the power 7, and this is what? 0.33 into 10 to the power minus 4, because 1 Gauss, that is what? 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. So R equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 and 0.33 into 10 to the power minus 4, and 1 equal to 10 to the power minus 4t. And student, 5 into 10 to the power minus 7, and this comes out to be, that is what? 4, and also this is written in the form of what? 0.33, change decimal, that is what? 33. So student, nearly this value, nearly we have taken 3. 33, 3 is 99, so nearly we have taken this value is 3, and 5 3 is 15, and student, this will comes out to be, that is what? Minus 3 meter. So R comes out to be that is in terms of centimeter multiplied by 100. So that is what? 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter, and student, this comes out to be that 1.5 centimeter. So R comes out to be that 1.5 centimeter. So neutral point is obtained at a point parallel to the cable and just above it, which is 1.5 centimeter. So neutral point is obtained 1.5 centimeter above the cable, and where horizontal BH and B are equal, and this is the answer of this question. And student, next question, that is question number 21. That is question number 21. Question number 21, and question number 21, listen carefully. A magnetic dipole is under the influence of two magnetic fields. Magnetic dipole means what? Bar magnet. A magnetic dipole is under the influence of two magnetic fields. The angle between the field direction is 60 degree. So angle between two fields, that is what? 60 degree. And one of the field has a magnitude of 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2t. If the dipole comes to stable equilibrium at an angle of 15 degree with this field, what is the magnitude of the other field? So student, a dipole which is placed in between a magnetic dipole is under the influence of two magnetic field, and the angle between the two magnetic field, that is what? 60 degree. And the dipole comes to stable equilibrium at an angle of 15 degree with the field which value is given 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2t. What is the magnitude of the other field? So student, it is given that two fields. Suppose that two fields, this is B1 fields and this is what? B2 field. Clear? Angle between them is what? 60 degree, which is given. And a dipole which is shown here, this is what? South pole, and this is what? North pole. Clear? And direction of magnetic moment, which is, that is what? From south to north. So magnetic dipole and magnitude of B1 which is given, 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2, and we have to find, that is what? B2, what the value of B2. And student, also it is given that magnetic dipole moment of a magnetic dipole, that is what? From south to north. That is what? From south to north. And this dipole comes to in stable equilibrium, which makes an angle, this magnetic dipole moment of a magnetic dipole makes an angle with the magnetic field B1, which is what? 15 degree. If this magnetic dipole moment of a magnetic dipole makes an angle 15 degree with given magnetic field B1, so angle between magnetic dipole moment with another magnetic field, which is what? 45 degree, because angle between B1 and B2, that is what? 60 degree. And this magnetic dipole is in stable equilibrium. It means what? You know that tau equal to what? mb sin theta, and tau, vector tau, that is what? M cross B, you know that. And direction of torque, that is what? Direction of torque M cross B. So for magnetic dipole moment, which is what? From S to N, for this field, what is the direction of the what is the direction of torque for this magnetic dipole moment with this? So using vector product, that is what? one vector m, another vector v1. So direction of torque for this case, that is what? Downward. And direction of torque for magnetic moment and the magnetic field v2, which is what? One vector rotate in the direction of the second vector. So direction of torque of magnetic moment m and v2, which is outward direction, and direction of torque for magnetic moment m and v1, which is what? Downward direction. So but according to question, this magnetic dipole comes to in stable equilibrium when it makes an angle 15 degree with b1. So according to question, ATQ when magnetic dipole comes to an stable equilibrium, it is given if the dipole comes to stable equilibrium at TQ, when the magnetic dipole comes to an stable equilibrium, that is tau1, which is equal to what? Tau2. Magnetic means what? Torque acting on the magnetic dipole for B1 field, which is downward direction, and torque acting on the magnetic dipole on the magnetic dipole due to field B2, which is upward direction. So in stable equilibrium, these two magnitude of torque T1 and T2, that is what? Equal, but direction is opposite. So that is what? We can say that tau1 equal to tau2, and we know that MB sin theta 1 equal to MB sin theta 2. Here theta 1, that is what? 15 degree, and theta 2, that is what? 45 degree. So student, magnetic dipole moment for both field, that is what? Same. So that is what? Cancel out. This will be cancel out, and we have to find, that is what? B2. So B2 can be written as student B1 sin theta 1 by sin theta 2, and B1, which is given 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2, and sin 15 degree by sin, that is what? 45 degree. And student, again we use the natural sine table in log book. Write the value of sin 15 degree and write the value of sin 45 degree, and sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, but you can use the natural sine table of log book, and you can write the value of, that is what? Sin 51. So B2 can be written as 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into sin 15 degree by sin 45 degree using natural sine table, and I am going to write directly the value of sin 45. So you find the value of sin 45, sin 15 from the natural sine table, and its value, student, which is given sin 15 degree, which is written 2.588. Sin 15 degree using natural sine table of log book, which is 0.2588, and also write the sin 45 degree also from the natural sine table of log book, and its value is also, I am writing directly here, which is 0.707. And student, after solving this, so magnetic field comes out to be in the form of 4.39 into 10 to the power minus 3 in the form of what? Tesla. So this is the answer for question number 21. And now student, in next class I will start the topic electromagnetic induction. If you have any problem related to theoretical or numericals from magnetism and matter, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.